I thought I knew forests, but nothing prepared me for this. Welcome to Tongass National Forest, the largest national forest in the United States. This place is wild. No city noise, no safety, no second chances. Over 16 million acres of pure wilderness. Dense rainforest so thick, sunlight barely touches the ground. And you're not alone out here. Massive brown bears roam freely. Wolves move silently in the shadows. And the weather, it can turn deadly in minutes. People say once you step deep inside Tongass, you feel it watching you. No clear trails, no phone signal, just endless trees and the sound of something moving. This isn't a park. This is survival. Would you dare to walk into America's most dangerous forest?